Okay, this is how it looks like when you fight against together with the rest. So you will see the three people: X-Cross, Headkeeper, and me. So we'll start with this. I'm not so sure how does this play out, but it seems to me like each one will have their own target to attack. Alright, it's pretty weak because this is just a level 2 room. Success. Okay, I will kill this werewolf. Want to go defend myself. Alright. Okay. Just one more attack and I will win. Just one more. Easy peasy. Okay, so I'm not sure how this is done, but I think we have to wait for X-Cross to finish his battle before we can conclude whether we win or lose. I believe it's this way. Let's see. Okay, nearly. I think one more hit and the result will be there. Not sure whether if I can view their profile. Yep, done. So I don't see how is it different from having to fight one-on-one. It's just that the three of us will have to defeat our own the monster that we summon in order to clear this stage. So yeah, this is it regarding the multiple players in a fortress, battle in the fortress. So if you like this video, do share and subscribe, and there will be more videos coming out regarding Wizards Unite, the Harry Potter Wizards Unite. So see you next time. Bye bye.